This is a demo of the Khebra Student Learning Management Software. Now, what we're going to try and do here is to explain the student learning experience using the software. What I've done is I've taken the liberty to create a user ID in the name of Majid. The student will first enter his username and password, and then clicks on the sign in button. This is the courses page. Currently, there is only one course that has been created here. That is Driving Guide in the state of Qatar. On the left, you will see some useful information about the number of lessons completed and the points scored by the student. Upon clicking a course, the student will be taken to the course details page, which will provide a detailed view of the course. The student then clicks on the Open Course button. Here he will then have to confirm that he wants to subscribe to this course by clicking the Subscribe button. The student is now able to see all the lessons in the course. Notice that he has scored 5 points for choosing to subscribe to this course. There are 8 lessons in this course. We have followed the State of Qatar manual for these lessons. So we begin by clicking the first lesson. For each lesson, a lesson summary can be provided. We will then click on the Open Lesson button. This will take us to the learning screen. The learning screen has 2 parts. On the left is the syllabus, and on the right is the detailed topic explanation. Now let's click on the first topic. Learning content here can be videos, documents, PowerPoint presentations, animation, VR, 360 videos, etc. Now upon completion of a topic, the student clicks on the Complete button. Now this helps him score some points and also automatically takes him to the next topic. The same process as before is repeated here. The student learns the content and clicks on the Complete button and earns points and goes to the next lesson. Note that the topics he completes, he gets a tick mark. Upon completion of all topics in a lesson, the lesson is shown as completed. The student can choose to go to the next lesson or go back to the table of contents. Now this is the table of contents descriptive view. Note that the student has finished the lesson. He has now completed one lesson and has also scored points while doing it. Now let's check out another lesson to get a better idea of the experience. Now this is the lesson on traffic rules and ethics. Now in the syllabus menu, you will see the various sections, and these sections exactly follow the Qatar driving manual. So let's click on the first topic under the section Traffic Intersections. The first topic is Introduction. You'll notice that you can hide the syllabus panel to get a better view of the learning panel. When the student has completed the topic, he clicks on the Complete button and he earns points. Notice that the previous topic is clearly marked as completed. The student can then review the next topic. There is a notepad feature that enables students to take down notes, especially if he has doubts which he wants to clarify with the lecturers. He can then save these notes for future reference. He can also choose to edit or delete these notes. Let's now review the learning objectives of this lecture. This is a very important step as students need to get a clear idea of what the key learning objectives of every lecture are. In the same way, the student proceeds to the next lesson and the lesson after that. Now, for the sake of clarity, we will continue to show all the videos here. The student can also have a full screen view of the videos if he chooses. Once the student completes a topic, he can be asked a quiz question to make sure he has understood the topic. Now, the quiz can be a true or false, multiple choice, scenario-based quiz, etc. When the student answers correctly, he scores points and then proceeds to the next topic, which could be a lesson or another quiz question. You will notice that the percentage of completion of a lecture is clearly mentioned, and the student can resume learning a lesson or a lecture from where he last left. Now let's take a look at the leaderboard. We see that Majid has moved up the ranking and he is now number 3. Every student has a detailed profile page. The profile page shows the date of registration for the course, the date when the student last accessed the course, and how much time was spent in the course. The My Courses button shows the list of all courses attended by the student. It also shows the status of completion of the course, the number of lessons or lectures completed, quiz answered correctly, etc. The student can also change password or delete the account altogether. There is also a detailed activity page that lists all the activity by the student along with the date and time and the points scored.